One of our key markets right now is the poultry industry. It's about 30% of the product that they ship needs to be frozen and exported. It's in that process that we're able to use kind of our combined experiences coming from multiple industries to help poultry producers out. We understand their processes, we understand the opportunities in front of these companies, whether it's using VRTs as freezing technologies, whether it's using robots for palletizing, whether it's using ASRS solutions for warehousing. We understand how to bring value to their process. And not just bring value in terms of reducing operating costs, but also bringing value in terms of helping people use the same footprint to expand their revenue, to ship more, and to ship higher quality. And I think it's one of those special industries where our skills and talents come together perfectly to help companies in that industry make their businesses run so much better.
Primus themselves, we've built the most VRTs, carton freezers in North America. And we've equipped a lot of those facilities with additional automation components as well to not only feed the VRT, but also get the product out and get it on a pallet cleanly and out the door as quickly as possible. So Primus has the capabilities of bringing all of these different components in-house and all the different subcontractors and knowing how to manage them correctly to make the life cycle of the project as minimal as possible. Be able to get the facility up and running and create a new processing opportunity for the end user.
We've seen incredible inflationary pressures not only at our grocery stores, but in our labor pool. And in most instances, there's been over a 40% increase in wage costs. Reliability. Your automated crane doesn't call in sick. It's going to be at work every day. And the availability of product presentation with some of the solutions that are provided is straight from the production line into a freezing cell. It's individually case freezing. It's a game changer for the presentation of customer product.